Alright guys, how we doing? It's another day, another trading day. I'm pretty tired. I went to sleep pretty late, but staying consistent. I woke up 9 o'clock. Right now it's 9. So I'm about to get into the pre-market analysis, and we're gonna see what we're gonna be doing. So, as you guys know, I have a trading plan. I joined the TJR Combine, and I strictly stick to that plan. Anytime that I'm trading. So even today, I'm sticking to that plan. So let's run through it with me. I want you to run through it with me. So, so first we check Forex Factory. That's the first thing that we do. Today, no red folder news. We're good to trade. Um, this is the trading plan. So, mark out previous session highs and lows, 4-hour highs and lows, and lows from each session. I somewhat did that already. And just previous day. 8 a.m. And this is previous day highs and lows. But I mean, it already got swept. So, excuse me. One thing that I noticed was on the hourly chart, right? This is micro ES, right? Is smaller. This is smaller. This is micros for the S&P 500 futures contracts. These have not swept these hourly lows over here. However, on NQ, these hourly lows were swept. So, during market open, we have to wait and see what we do. However, there is a lot more low resistance liquidity. There's still 2 more stacks of low resistance liquidity down there. Excuse me, there's one. Is there a second one down here? There's another one. Then there's a second low resistance liquidity. Oh, no, let me fix this. I want that one. Okay. Yeah, so there's that. There's this down here. This hourly low. This hourly low. This one has yet to be swept though. This hasn't been swept. So what I'll be looking for is during market open for a sweep of these lows, and for Nasdaq to sweep probably these lows, and then look to reverse after it sweeps these lows. Scale down. What do? After oh, also I'm looking for a bias, right? So normally I'd be looking for a continuation because as you see, this right here, this is Asia session. London session came up, swept Asia session, or this is not even Asian session highs, but came through and continued the trend during Asia session, swept their lows, and continued down lower. So let's look and see what that says. London session manipulation, no. Manipulation, New York reverse. If London session manipulates Asia session liquidity, New York will usually reverse on a lower time frame. Oopsies. Yeah, so what we see, London session manipulated Asia session time, Asia sessions, and then reverses. So New York continuation. So we're looking for a continuation. During market open, there are a lot of draws on liquidity down here. Not as many higher up, the further up you get. So I will be looking to take shorts, I guess. But also I'm open. I'm open to taking longs as well. Yeah, there's quite a bit of low res down here. Yeah, all these lows. Yeah. Yeah, like all of these lows down here could get swept. So for us to even consider, going lower, uh, first we want to see some form of short of lower time frame manipulation. Um, so I'm gonna wait. We'll see how market reacts when it opens. Um, Honestly, I think market's gonna push up a little bit higher, maybe even fill in this fair value gap right here, before you know going lower, because this right here, market has yet to give it to have its retracement. So this during market open, that could be where we're getting that retracement. So hopefully hopefully that plays out, and when that plays out, I'll be looking to take shorts, targeting previous areas of liquidity to the downside. We'll have probably go with five cons. We'll go with five cons. Um, and we'll target here, here, and here. And the reason we're going to be taking this trade on NQ today is because if you look, ES has yet to reach their first its first like demand zone or like liquidity zone. So ES has yet to reach the first one. So we're gonna be looking to take the trade on NASDAQ, and we'll see how it plays out. 9:15, 9:16. We have about 16 minutes till market open. I'll come back then, cause I'm trying to make sure that I can like not make these videos too long, cause I'm looking and these videos are literally like 30, 45 minutes each, and I'm like, dang, bro, like that's a long time. But yeah, excuse me. I'm gonna read, kind of chill out while I wait for market to open, and I'll see you guys there. All right, so market is open. Hold on, my bad. I'm gonna throw it off. Okay, just let me know. Sorry, I'm doing some other stuff. So we get a strong direction up here at the open. This still has not touched this bottom over here. So I guess we're just gonna wait. Alright, I want to see a push below these lows and for the trend to continue here. Also, this beat is produced by me. Strong rejection. Okay, I'm gonna come back at 9:45 because I'm not gonna be trading till 9:45. There's no reason for me to just record it and waste your time. So I'll see you then. All right, so we got a crazy candle to the upside, breaking structure for both of them. Did this break structure actually? No, this didn't. This didn't break structure here. And on this one, this did break structure. So scale down into 1 minute on NQ because the trend shifted on NQ. Scale down to the 1 minute and look for an entry. It created this 5-minute fair value gap, so I can wait for it to target into there or wait for price to drop into equilibrium. Whichever one comes first. All I know is this is not break structure here, so I'm still willing to wait unless we get some bullish like you know what I'm saying, because it broke here. So if we get like a fair value gap or inverse fair value gap or something like that, then I'm willing to go in. But let's see. Wait for drawing liquidity to happen. Did the drawing liquidity happen? This one did not hit it, but the other one did. Okay. Drop to a 5-minute time frame. Wait for the confirmation that orders have been filled in the opposite direction of the current trend's confidence. As you can see, was there a break of structure on the 5-minute? Yes. On NQ, there was, but on ES, no. However, that just shows that NQ is going to lead the trend. After the above achieved, confluence you should see. Was there fair value gap? Drop to the 1-minute time frame and look for confirmation of entry. Confluence you should see. Was there for break of structure there? Okay. Let's see. ES is struggling to break through. And NQ is about to break structure on the downside on the 1 minute. ES is still struggling. So we might actually hold off a little bit longer. There's just no reason to hop in too early. Well, ES is actually about to break. I think NQ's draws on liquidity are closer though, right? Or was it ES? I believe ES's draws are closer. I'm gonna take this on NQ though, because it actually did reach into one of the zones. And I'm gonna look to enter. I'm gonna look to enter now.
Order filled.
And then I'm gonna put my stops here. Actually not here. My stops are gonna go here. And then my first take profit is gonna go here. Let's see.
Order filled.
Okay. And then we'll go with 5 here. And we'll see how it goes. I did not mean to get in for 9. I meant to get in for 7. I can actually move my stop here. My stop like here. I'm actually not gonna exit because I feel like I should part of this like exit partials here. But it's okay. I'll actually just
Order filled.
bang. Nice. That was a great trade. I'm actually done for the day. $1,114 was made profit. Could have low-key went longer, held like probably one con up to here or something. There's really no need for me to do so. Pretty decent trade. Yeah, I appreciate y'all for coming and sticking with me. Yeah, overall that was a really good, that was a good solid trade. Don't remember what the RR or whatever it was, but I know that I made it work. So, gonna go hop off the charts. As I said, y'all kind of watched the entire process. Wasn't a bad trade at all. Was not a bad trade at all. I waited. I saw a draw on liquidity, drop to the 5 minute or to the 1 minute. I saw that what really made me want to trade early. I wanted to enter a lot lower, like around this area during this brick of structure. I wanted to enter down here because I saw do we get a that's a 1 minute. I wanted to enter a lot lower because I saw wait. Oh. I wanted to enter a lot lower because I saw like a break of structure down here, but and I already knew that once it got past this area, how it kind of pushed up past here, I was like, okay, like, you know, I should get ready to go long. But however, it just wasn't time yet. It literally was like 9:35. So because of that, I literally missed out a little bit on a move. However, it's fine because I was able to get in on the down move here, or whenever I got in. Um, Good trade, very good trade. So I'll see you guys in the next one. This is the trade recap. Um, Nasty work by me today. It was a good setup. So, that's my P&L. If you want, we can look at my Alpha Futures P&L. I don't know why it doesn't remember me. Dashboard. Analytics. It doesn't show yet. It's cool. Yeah. So I'm about $1,420 away from. I'm literally a little bit over halfway there to my what's it called? I'm literally a little bit over halfway there to my to my. Do we break structure to the downside on the 5 minute? No. Nah. I'm done, bro. I'm done. All right, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Cause when I really start getting up there, oh, I should have made multiple take profits. That's what I mean. I wanted to do that, but I was just so hype about kind of closing that trade that it is what it is, though. All right, so like, comment, subscribe, press that bell. I upload pretty consistently, so I like to see y'all on the channel more. With that being said, y'all be safe. Y'all take it easy.